In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Gmail. Email templates are a great way to save time if you find yourself sending the same kind of message over and over again. Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you can follow easily. First, open Gmail in your browser. At the top right of the screen, look for the gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that. A small panel will slide open on the right side. In that panel, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Go ahead and click on See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Advanced and click on it. This is where Gmail keeps some of its extra features that aren't turned on by default. On the Advanced tab, scroll until you see the section called Templates. Here you'll see options to enable or disable templates. Make sure that templates are turned on. If you see it set to Disable, change it so that templates are enabled, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh after you do this. Once Gmail has reloaded, you're ready to create your first template. Back in your inbox, click the Compose button on the left. This opens a new email window. In this message, type out the email you want to reuse in the future. You can include a subject line, your standard greeting, the main body text, and your email signature. Leave out any details that will change each time, like the recipient's name or specific dates, so it's easy to customize later. When your email looks the way you want, look at the bottom right of the Compose window for the 3 vertical dots, which open More Options. Click on those dots. In the menu that appears, hover over or click on Templates. A sub-menu will appear. Choose Save Draft as Template, and then select Save as New Template. Gmail will ask you to give this template a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you'll recognize it later, then save it. That's it. Your email template is now stored and ready to use whenever you need it.